Welcome to How to Wisdom. In this video, I am going to reveal to you how to solve a Rubik's Cube in under 30 seconds. This is quite a tricky, so don't skip this video. So, are you ready to impress your friends and look like a genius? Let's jump right into this video. In order to solve a Rubik's Cube, please follow these 5 simple steps. Step 1, the cross. Step 2, the corners. Step 3, the second layer. Step 4, the third layer cross. Step 5, the third layer corners. Let's start with Step 1, the cross. Keep white center on top. Put the green centerpiece in front, facing you. Find the green/white edge piece. It only has 2 colors. Keeping white on top and green in front. Keeping white on top, turn the cube so that a different color face, center, is toward you. Repeat with the other 2 faces until the white cross is complete. This step is quite intuitive, you can do it for sure, but it does take a little practice. Just move the white edges to their places, not messing up the ones already fixed. Step 2, the corners. Keep white on top. Put the green centerpiece in front, facing you. Find the green/white/shred corner, it has 3 colors, and place it in one of the positions without disturbing the white cross. Possible problem. The corner you are looking for is in the top layer, but in the wrong position or turned the wrong way around. Turn the cube so that the corner is in the front right top corner, then move the corner to the bottom layer by following the following steps. Solution. Perform these steps. Then choose again from steps above to put the corner in place. Keeping white on top, turn the cube so that a different color faces toward you. Follow the above instructions again. Repeat with the other 2 faces until the white cross is complete. Step 3, the second layer. Keep white on top. Find the green/red edge piece. If it is in the bottom layer, then turn the bottom layer to match the edge with the center color. If the edge is not in the bottom layer, then go to step C. Possible problem. The edge piece you want to move is in the second layer but in the wrong position or the wrong way around. Solution. Turn the cube so that the edge is in the front layer, then do either solution above to move the piece into the bottom row. Then go back to step 4, continue with steps A, B with different centers facing you until the second layer is complete. Step 4, the third layer cross. Turn the cube over, white is now on the bottom and yellow on top. You should find that there are 0, 2 or 4 pieces of the cross facing upward. Ignore the corners for now. The idea is first to get the yellow cross and secondly to turn swap pieces to the correct position in the cross. Perform the algorithm to get to the yellow cross. Make sure your cube is orientated as shown in the image. You will now have 4 or 2 edge pieces in the correct place, matching with the center colors. Ensure the correct edge pieces are at the back and right face. Use the algorithm to put the edge pieces in the correct position. Step 5, the third layer corners. First, we will put the corners in the correct position, A. You will now have either 0, 1 or all the corners pieces will be in their correct positions, either the right way up or reversed. If one corner piece is in the correct corner, turn the cube to that this correct corner is in the front top right position. The piece is in the correct position, but it may not be turned the correct way around. Repeat the sequence until all the corners are in the correct position. Possible problem. None of the corners is in the correct position. Solution. Perform the steps in A, once with any side facing you, yellow at the top. Now one corner will be in the correct position. Proceed with A again. Note, this routine may appear to upset the rest of the cube. Do not despair and keep the same side facing you. It will only be solved once the last corner is orientated. Repeat the moves until the yellow side of the corner piece is on top. You may have to do it 2-3 times. Keep the same side facing you. Rotate the top layer until the next corner piece to be rotated is in the top right position. Continue the process until the cube is complete. If you found this video helpful, be sure don't forget to like this video and share with your friends. Also subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching this video.